introducing our turkey for the Christmas. We call it festive turkey. Some gravy goes on top of the braised turkey steak. So now the turkey needs to go in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. So it's ready, the turkey. Take it out and then we're going to plate it up. So now to plate up the turkey. So the vegetable goes on the base. Cauliflower, broccoli, roasted chantilly carrots, crushed potato. And then the roast turkey on a slant like this. Sausage stuffing, gravy on the top, the roast gravy. Cranberry sauce on the top, or cranberry jelly we can call. Then pickled onions, dill leaf, fried onions, Yorkshire pudding. So that's our festive turkey ready. Let's try it out now. Perfect. Yorkshire pudding. You'll love it. Amazing.